Fellas, AC here. Welcome to another review. Now, this morning, Saturday morning, I got a mystery package delivered. I half knew what it was, but here it is. A big package came through the mail, and I thought, okay. Wasn't expecting such a big package, but I half knew what it was, and I thought I'll do the unboxing with you all. Now, you might hear some fireworks in the background because people are still in the Diwali and the Guy Fawkes night and the Halloween mood, if you like. So you might hear some fireworks going off here and there. But I've opened the package just to check whether what I thought it was is what it is, and it is. So the package is open, but we'll do an unboxing video, if I can speak, with you. So here's what the package looks like. Okay, I wasn't expecting such a big package. So here's the email or the mail from Mr. Matt Wilson of Norton Wilson, and as you know, or you might not know, but Dan's Mr. Smelly, Dan Norton, is about to launch his 5th fragrance. And a couple of weeks ago, he contacted me and said, I'm about to launch my 5th fragrance. Would you be interested in receiving a bottle without any obligation for you to review it or whatever? As a gent as he is, I said, of course, I'd be absolutely delighted to, get a chance to sniff your latest release. So there it was. After that, the package arrived. So here's what the letter says. Dear AC, hope you're keeping well. Please find enclosed a bottle of our newest release, Arezzo. So this is what I was expecting, but then again along with that, our 2 previous releases, Gravitas Essentia and Chypre Fulminaire. I wasn't expecting that. We hope you enjoy them. Best regards, Matt Wilson, co-founder. I was completely gobsmacked. I wasn't expecting such a huge, generous package. I was expecting only 1 fragrance. So, thank you, Matt. Thank you, Dan. I'm completely speechless at this immense act of generosity. I was not expecting 3 fragrances. I was expecting just 1. So, let me show you. So, this is the Chypre Fulminaire, which I intend to review, and I want your opinion on that. And this is Gravitas Essentia, and the new one is, I should be keeping them here so you have a better sight, I believe. You can see it better. And that's about it. So I'll let the cardboard box rest on the floor for a while. This is Essentia, so that goes there. I'm hoping you can see. And this is the new boy, Arezzo, named after a town in Tuscany, in Italy. So that's the new Arezzo. Now what I wanted your opinion on is, I wanted to do an unboxing today of Arezzo because this is going to be launched for public sale sometime this month. I do not know the date yet. Dan will confirm that. And these 2 are already in circulation. So I do not want these 2 to sort of take over the limelight. The limelight needs to be on Arezzo. So I just want to do an unboxing of Arezzo today. And then I'll do an unboxing of these 2 fragrances or a full review, whatever you want. Let me know in the comments. I'll do a full review of this fragrance once I've worn it about a couple of weeks. So today I just want to do an unboxing of Arezzo. I'm hoping that's okay with you all. If you want an unboxing of these 2, or if you just want a full review of these 2, let me know. I can do both. So let's see what Arezzo is all about. I'm very excited because, as you can see, I've unconsciously color coordinated with the fragrance. So let's see other fragrances. I'm very interested because I was really impressed with Gravitas. I enjoyed Gravitas, and I quite liked Bon Vivere, which was a bit of a daring fragrance, if you like, from modern practices point of view. So a nice little sleeve, as you can see. I like the color coordination, just really nice. And I like the fact that I've coordinated my colors with this as well. Totally unplanned, honestly. So I like this. This is how the sleeve comes off. And as I was saying, you know, Bon Vivere was a very brave release. It's very unconventional, very different to the times we live in. So quite like that. And this is Arezzo. So the sleeve comes off like that. I really like it. It's very posh. The packaging is really posh, really well done packaging. And obviously this is made in England, so I'm doubly proud. And I'm more proud because this is, you know, Dan's work, 5th release. It takes a lot to create fragrances and release them. I think the sleeve is very, very tight, very snug fit. Let me see. Okay, it opens like a book. Sorry about that. Wow. Just look at that. Just savor that. Absolutely fantastic. Really premium. So let's see what the inside of the book says. Okay. Norman Wilson is a British fragrance brand, which I'm absolutely proud of. His mission is to create classically styled fragrances that are timelessly charming and unapologetically sophisticated. Our aim in creating our compositions is to offer the ultimate in refinement, luxury, and good taste. Classic fragrances for modern times. We use the highest quality ingredients to produce the fragrances in the UK and are confident that you will find each creation to be charismatic, charming, and unique. Not only that, the parfumer is John Stephen, who is a British person and is based not far from here in the Cotswolds. So this, okay, look at that. This is kind of a satin fabric casing, and I'm really liking the feel of this fragrance. And that's the bottle, very much like Gravitas. I like the fact that they're all uniform. I believe this is a 100 ml bottle. They're all uniform in terms of packaging. There is no fancy packaging for every different fragrance release. Really like the uniformity, the branding. It's fantastic. So let's see what it smells like. As I said, okay, let's test the atomizer first. Nice. Nice. The fragrance, wow. Okay. It is a rich smell. So it smells like a chypre. So let's see. Wow. The atomizer is, wow, okay. It is borrowing a little bit from, wow, the woody. I'm smelling mandarin. And whoa, okay. Really strong woody character with mandarin. It borrows a little bit from Gravitas and Bon Vivere, but it just goes woody straight away. It's intensely woody. It's very strong. And so many things are happening. Just smelling a little hint of something I would term as oud. I think the note breakdown which I saw on Dan's video on his channel was oud. Okay, I've got the note listing. I'll put it on the screen now. So here's what Dan sent me. So it's got oud, and I think, okay, so this fragrance is changing quite quickly. Initially I was smelling mandarin orange and I was smelling hint tobacco, but now it's gone woody and it's becoming slightly orange butter type, you know, slightly buttery, irisy buttery. It's very dry and has this woody character. And I remember on Dan's channel he said that They went for no expense spared kind of an approach. They went for the finest materials, especially the oud, and that's coming through. But it doesn't smell like an oriental. It smells like a chypre. It has oak moss as well, I believe. I can't remember. I'll do a full review anyways. But it has this oak mossy, damp earth kind of a patchouli smell, along with orange buttery smell. And oud, it's base heavy. It went straight to base. Maybe it'll change later on. It smells like a woody chypre with changes, subtle changes happening. So that's what I'm getting at the moment. It's fantastically well blended. John Stephen is a maestro. So it's very well blended. It smells something which is posh, expensive and complex, and also something that you would smell in fragrances like Amouage or Roja. That sort of feel to it. It's a Roja-like feel. Multi-layered. All these layers are announcing themselves. It's a very cold night today. It's about 7 degrees at the moment. I think, check, yeah. I think I checked last time it was 7 degrees. So it's a cold night. So that's probably the reason the top notes went straight to base. All the heavy notes are coming through because I really like the mandarin fuzz I got when I first sprayed it. But I'm really enjoying the orris. I think there is orris root butter here. The buttery quality, the woody oud quality, the dampness of earth, oak mossy, patchouli smell, and tobacco as well. So, very, very nice. Very interesting. And I like the fact that it's got layers, which is what I like in, expensive fragrances. I don't know the price point on this one, but it smells expensive. And not only that, it smells very sort of expertly done. The blending, when you smell something which is really expert's work, you can see, right? Various layers announce themselves. And I like that expertise that's coming through. It's a woody character with tobacco, and then suddenly you smell orris butter, and then you smell the earthy patchouli, then you smell a little hint of tobacco, and those things are really exciting me. I would love to wear this properly on a little warmish day. Like this is a very cold night, and I've got the heating on, but it's still rushing straight to the base. So I'd like to wear it on a in-between kind of weather and review it in between kind of weather. But I doubt we'll get that now because we are going towards mid-November, so it's going to get cold. But it smells like a chypre, and chypres do well when you're wearing it in slightly, in-between kind of a climate. But first impressions, I'm really impressed. It has this barbershop quality as well, maybe because of the oak moss. And it is inspired by an Italian town, so I'd love to know the story. First impressions, very impressed. Very impressed by the quality, complexity, and the notes. The blending, the way it's been created smells really expensive. The first thing I thought of was Roja. Roja kind of fragrances smell like this. So let's see how it performs, how it wears on the skin, and I'll do a full review within a couple of weeks. But if you have any questions, let me know. I'm hoping you like this unboxing video, and do let me know how you would want me to do these two. I'm thinking a full review. I'll unbox them in private and do a full testing. After about 3 or 4 weeks, I'll do a full review. But I'm open to ideas, and I'm hoping you really enjoyed the presentation of this fragrance. They will be going on sale very soon, end of November, I think. The presentation, once again, it's a nice fragrance. I enjoyed it. Something interesting, complex, high quality materials. I'm enjoying it, and I've always enjoyed Norton Wilson creations, and I'm hoping I'm getting this lime kind of a smell now. I'll have to sit down with this, learn the fragrance, see what it does, and then I'll come back with the review. I'm hoping you really enjoyed this video. Take care. Bye-bye.